or tank view. So put the camera right there. So 1 second, guys. Alright, so yep. Date tank says 2013. 2013. Kohler 1.6 gallons / Yep, I just read that already. It's 2013, yep. Or, yeah, which is early 2010. Yep. Oh. I guess the 2000. They have the 2010 toilets like this, Kohler, but they have like you know, the little the 2010 Kohler ones had the little support line that connects it, and a different tank, but in a different tank, but same with these links. Yep. So this one does not have a support line. The support lines means this. Anyways, so here we go. Okay. This toilet has a slight. This toilet replaced in 2000 Wellworth. What the fuck is this toilet taking so long for? If this toilet stops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. There. Now I can put the tank lid back on. So hopefully, 1 second, guys. I'm just gonna put the tank lid back on. Like in another restaurant, I accidentally broke the tank lid. In the back of the restroom. Can't film it because it's locked. Alright. Yeah, so, yeah. So, bye guys.